All right, good morning, friends. Thank you for opening up this video. I decided I wanted to do a little related facts video based on some of the responses that I've received from the seesaw activity that I assigned yesterday for after our math lesson. So I have been teaching you guys, we have been drawing a house. We have been putting the numbers at the top of the house, and then we've been creating our related facts inside of the house. So what we did to create our numbers were, some of you created cards and you flipped over cards, and you flipped over two cards and you added those two numbers together to get a sum. Some of you rolled the dice. So whatever you did, you should have gotten two numbers and you should have added those two numbers together to receive a sum, okay? So I am going to do an example of me getting two numbers. So let's say I got a 3 and a 4. When I add together 3 and 4, I get 7. So I'm going to put my 7 at the top, okay? Now, with these three numbers, we can create two addition facts and two subtraction facts. Two addition equations and two subtraction equations, okay? So I'm going to put my plus sign in the middle right here, because that reminds me that I can add both of these numbers both ways and I'm still going to get a sum, okay, of 7. Also, I can put subtraction sign here, and that just tells me that when I'm subtracting, I have to begin with my larger number, okay, to create the equations. So first, let's start with our two addition facts. So I have 3 plus 4, which equals 7. And then we know the commutative property of addition tells us that no matter the order, the sum will still remain the same. So I can just swap out the add-ins and get the same sum. Okay. As you can see, when I'm adding, the sum is always the biggest number, which is 7. Now, when I'm subtracting, I always start with my larger number. So I'm going to start with 7 this time, and I'm going to subtract 4 here, and I end up with 3. As you can see, I'm still using all the same digits. Again, when I'm subtracting, I'm starting with the larger number, which is 7, but this time I'm going to subtract 3. And when I subtract 3, I'm going to get 4. So with these three related facts, I can create two addition problems and two subtraction problems. With my addition problem, the sum is always going to be the greatest number, and that's why I put it at the top of my house. With my subtraction facts, remember, my larger number always starts the equation. Okay? So keep that in mind. That was something that I saw on our seesaw activities that some students did struggle with. So please review this. Keep practicing these. You can keep rolling the dice or flipping over the cards and adding the two numbers together, create a sum, and then try to practice creating two addition and two subtraction problems. All right, thank you.